Let's talk about coping with collection calls for a moment. Have you ever had a collection call made to you? It can be a very embarrassing situation because collectors a lot of times, especially third-party collectors, they're about confrontation. You know, their objective is this, is they want to get their money and they want to get it yesterday. And that's understandable. But here's some tips in dealing with third-party collectors. First of all, if you owe a debt, I think you ought to make a payment plan to pay it back. I think it's important to do that. Why? Because it shows integrity. Making a plan that goes within your budget, that sticks to what you can do, is also something that they can work out. Don't let collectors talk you into a payment plan that doesn't work for you. Pay your necessities first, and then work your payment plans and amounts out with the collector. Tell collectors when to contact you, the 1st, 15th, maybe the 20th. That's up to you, but whenever you do make that arrangement, stick to it, because it's all about communication. When you're dealing with collection agencies, communication is important. In fact, communication is important in anything. But the moment that you turn off the flow of communication to an agency, what happens is it ratchets up the urgency of them to collect, and that's when you get into those things we talked about formally. You know, learning to deal with collectors will help you find relief with stressful situations in your life. Also, it'll help you put aside those difficult situations that you're struggling with financially. They can be worked out. But remember, you're the one that's in charge of your money, not the collector. Don't let collection agencies control your life. Take back control today. And if you need some help, we can help you here at Kelly Community. Kelly Community, we help consumers save more, earn more, and do more financially.